In this video, we are going to see certain common mistakes that we need to avoid as investors of equity mutual funds. In fact, this is going to be a video series with multiple videos wherein we'll discuss multiple mistakes over the next few weeks. Welcome to Findas, a place where you can be financially bindas. This is Samir Machwe and I am going to help you create abundance in your life. Most investors are intelligent people when it comes to earning money or spending that money. However, when it comes to investing this money, we find that these same people who are intelligent behave very weird and irrationally. They sometimes take actions that erode their wealth and they spend long durations away from investing. This behavior has a negative impact on their investments. If we analyze the investing pattern of the common investor, we find that the common investor tends to start investing as the markets start going up and he tends to exit from investing as the markets start falling or correcting. This shows that there is no clear strategy and the decision is very random, just like buying your tax saving investments only at the end of the year or taking decisions based on some random news or following some hot tips. This shows that people tend to invest without proper consideration or even without understanding why to invest in the first place. None of us gets the money just because we are born. Our money comes to us by investing time, by investing energy, physical and mental both. Hence we call it the hard-earned money. And we cannot afford to lose this hard-earned money so easily. We cannot take some actions that have negative impacts on our financial goals. Many times it is found that as investors, we are not even aware of what these mistakes are or why we take certain actions that are negative for our long-term wealth. The way out is to really understand what kind of mistakes these are and how to avoid them. We at Findas Consulting have been managing the investors' money since the year 1999. Over these years, we have experienced many negative investor behaviors, many mistakes that people make when they are investing in equity mutual funds. In this video series, we are going to explore such mistakes that people commonly tend to make and how you can learn to avoid these mistakes. Hence, my request is that you watch all videos in this series and watch each video completely. I promise you one thing, you will learn how to grow your hard-earned money very well. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. That way you will get videos related to personal finance and financial planning every Sunday. Let us look at the first mistake now. The first mistake is to let your emotions rule your decision making. Recently, in the month of February 2020, the equity markets started falling with speed due to the COVID-19 pandemic across the world. The Nifty corrected by more than 30% in 2 months, that is February and March. Many investors were unable to deal with this speed of falling markets. They started calling me. On the call, they were telling me to withdraw all their money or stop their SIPs. Why they were telling this? Because the fear was now in control. They had some kind of internal conversation that the economy is going to end very soon or they are going to lose all the money. All this is emotional thinking. The same people were buying comfortably at the Nifty level of 12,000 when there was no corona around. Come corona, market started falling. The same people became very uncomfortable and wanted a panic exit. All due to the decision making led by emotions. The same person, if there was a 30% discount sale in a mall nearby, goes there comfortably and buys more than he needs. When the same sale is there in the stock market, people tend to shy away. What is the logic? Absolutely there is no logic. The fear is in control now. The reality is nobody can predict the market. Best way, stay invested. Over the long term, all of us know that equity mutual fund returns beat the inflation by a decent margin. We have more than 20 years of data to support this as an evidence. Instead of looking at the data, people tend to think that they are right and their fear is justified. The economy is indeed going to coming to an end. This thinking is irrational. The lesson here is keep your emotions in check when you are investing in equity mutual funds. Take help of an expert. Check out the data, rely on the data, avoid fear, avoid all kinds of panic. In the other video that I published on how to deal with market fall due to the COVID-19 has all the details about so many market falls we have witnessed in the past, how markets performed after these falls. I have shared a lot of data to help you make rational decisions. I am sharing the link of that video in the description below. Make sure you watch that video without fail. The long-term fact remains that those investors who remain invested through all the markets, thick and thin, all rallies, all corrections, these are the people who make loads of money, their returns beating the inflation by a decent margin, and these people enjoy the abundance of money. However, the investors who let the emotions rule their thinking, they keep suffering financially. They keep jumping from one asset to another, trying to calm that fear of losing money. Unfortunately, that fear never goes away. These people remain restless in their life and themselves come in the way of growth of their hard-earned money. Hope you now appreciate that emotional decision making is financially suicidal when you invest in equity mutual funds. In the next video, we are going to see how stopping your SIPs in the falling market will cost you a lot in the long run. Please write in the comments below what opened up for you in this conversation and how you are currently dealing with market falls. If you want more such videos in future, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.